Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Crete, local and long-distance movers near me. When you hire us, you choose the type of moving package you prefer, which can include packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Our team of professional movers are ready to help you get to the most out of your long-distance move. We also offer all the right services from trained professionals. When you need to move to the next state over or across the country, we can help. When you're ready to complete a local move, hiring an Illinois moving company just makes sense. Sure, it's a shorter distance, but it's still a big job. Packing up your entire home, loading it into a truck, and then unloading it all, it's a huge job. It will take up a ton of time and energy. When you choose 3 Movers, you get a team of professional movers ready to make things easier. When you save time and energy by streamlining your move, if the move might take you all 3 days to complete, we can get it done in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Crete moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.